Hello students, let's start exactly from where we left in the previous video. Alright, so in the previous videos we learned the various forms of three forms of matter: solid, liquid and gas, and we also had a detailed discussion on these forms. Alright, so in this video, resuming the video, let's learn something more about gases. Alright, gas is one of the forms of matter. Alright, like we studied three forms of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Alright, so sometimes what happens, students confuse. Alright, so do not confuse yourself with vapor. Alright, so gas and vapor, they seem to be the same. Alright, they seem to be the same. Yes, they are the same, but slight difference is there which you need to understand. Alright, so what is the difference? What makes a gas different from vapor? Alright, let's try to understand. Gas is what? A gas is something like oxygen, carbon dioxide. Alright, it is originally in gaseous form. Alright, so gases are originally in gaseous form. ये gaseous form ही होते हैं originally, लेकिन vapors क्या होते हैं? ये originally are not vapors are not originally in gaseous form. Alright, original form of vapors is what? Liquid. Alright, so when liquids are heated, they form vapors. Clear? So this is how gas and vapors are different from each other. Now let's have a look at substances. Alright, pure substances. Pure substances. For you, milk. Maybe milk is pure. Alright, if water is not there in the milk, so you will say, yes, I have pure milk. Alright, why? Because water is not there in the milk, or water is not mixed, so you will say that milk is pure. Alright, but for a scientist, in scientific language, you know that milk is not pure. What is the pure substance? Usko pure substance नहीं बोलेंगे. For a scientist, alright, is from scientific point of view, a pure substance is that which is made up of same kind of particles. Alright, like element. So far over 118 elements have been discovered. Alright, by scientists. So over 118 elements. So elements are what? Elements are pure substances. Why pure substances? Because they are made up of same kind of atoms. Elements are made up of same kinds of atoms. Like carbon. It is made up of same kind of atom. Alright, so it's a pure substance. Water. One molecule of water contains two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen, irrespective of the source of water. Alright, no matter where do you get water from. Alright, suppose you get water from some river, you get whichever source it may be. Alright, formula is not going to change. Formula will remain the same. That is, H2O means what? One molecule represents two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Clear? So this is a pure substance. Why? Because sample of water that you have with you. Alright, it contains what? It's one molecule contains. It's made up of actually the same molecule. This is molecule. And same molecule, like this is one molecule of H2O, another molecule. Alright, so this is what happens. Accumulation of molecules of H2O gives rise to formation of water. Alright, फिर वो मतलब ज़्यादा सैंपल इकट्ठा हो जाएगा. Clear? So this is element. Now comes compound. Compound is what? ये कंपाउंड भी प्योर सब्सटेंस है. Why? ये कंपाउंड है. H2O is CO2. Clear? CO2. Carbon dioxide. One molecule of carbon dioxide. This is one molecule of carbon dioxide. All right. So one molecule of carbon dioxide contains what? one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen. Clear? So this is compound. Then comes mixture. Mixture is what? Mixture, and it is very much clear from its name, it is not pure. Mixture is a word which comes from the word mix. Alright, so mixture means what? It's not pure. It's very much clear from its name only. So element is pure, compound is pure. Why element is pure? Because element जो है वो एक ही तरह के एटम से बना होता है, एक ही तरह के एटम से बना होता है. कार्बन है तो कार्बन में कार्बन का ही एटम है, ठीक है? इसलिए उसको प्योर सब्सटेंस बोलते हैं. कंपाउंड जैसे H2O, CO2, ऑलराइट, NH3, इन सब में एक ही तरह का मॉलिक्यूल मिलेगा. NH3 का सैंपल है तुम्हारे पास में, उसमें एक ही तरह का मॉलिक्यूल मिलेगा, ठीक है? वाटर का सैंपल है तुम्हारे पास में, तो you will have same kind of molecule, तो हो गया प्योर सब्सटेंस. नाउ मिक्सचर. Let's discuss about mixture. Mixture is what? It is not pure, impure. Impure. क्यों impure? क्योंकि इसमें मिक्स है, मिला हुआ है. दो चीज मिला दो, sugar and water. Mix sugar with water, you will get a mixture. Mix salt with water, you will get mixture. All right. Mix potassium permanganate with water. All right. You will get mixture. Mix sulfur and iron filings, you will get mixture. तो वो मिक्सचर है और किसी भी irrespective of its components, proportion of component is not that important when it comes to a mixture. Mixture can be made out of any proportion of components. All right, like sugar and water. Suppose you have a glass of water. You put a handful of sugar. You add a handful of sugar to it. All right, sugar crystals. It becomes a mixture. All right. अगर handful नहीं डालोगे, even if you add, a spoonful of sugar to a glass of water, even then it will be called as mixture. Why? Because as I said, the proportion is not needed. As far as mixture is concerned, so proportion of components is not that important. All right. So what is the most important? Whether 2 or 3 things are mixed together. All right. 3 को मिला देंगे, 4 को ही मिला देंगे, तो वो मिक्सचर हो जाएगा. All right. कंपाउंड क्या है? तो ये प्योर नहीं है. Why? क्योंकि अब ये मिक्स हो गया है ना, 2 चीजों को मिलाया ना, 3 चीजों को भी मिलाएंगे, 4 चीजों को भी मिला सकते हैं, वो मिक्सचर बन जाएगा. क्लियर? But yes, elements are pure substances, compounds are pure substances, but elements are not pure substances. All right? Okay. So that's all for this video, and in the next video, resuming the same topic, we'll try to learn more about these substances. All right, like elements, compounds, and mixture. Thank you.